A drone, also known as an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, or unmanned aircraft system, UAS, is an aircraft that operates without a human pilot on board. Drones can be controlled remotely by a human operator or can operate autonomously based on pre-programmed instructions or artificial intelligence algorithms. Components of a drone. Frame, the structural body of the drone that houses all the internal components and provides stability and support. Propellers, typically 4 or more propellers that generate thrust and lift to keep the drone airborne. Quadcopters, hexacopters, and octocopters are common configurations. Motors, electric motors connected to the propellers that convert electrical power into rotational motion to spin the propellers. Battery, provides the necessary electrical energy to power the motors, propellers, and other electronic components of the drone. Flight controller, the brain of the drone, usually a microcontroller or microprocessor, responsible for processing sensor data and sending commands to the motors for stabilization and control. Sensors, various sensors such as gyroscopes, accelerometers, magnetometers, and GPS receivers provide data about the drone's orientation, position, speed, and environmental conditions. Camera or payload, many drones are equipped with cameras or other payloads like sensors, LiDAR, or even packages for delivery. Cameras allow for capturing images and videos from unique aerial perspectives. Transmitter/receiver, a remote-controlled device used by the pilot to send commands to the drone. For autonomous drones, communication can also occur through wireless networks. Onboard computer, present in more advanced drones, an onboard computer processes data from various sensors and can implement complex algorithms for autonomous flight, obstacle avoidance, and other tasks. Communication system, drones can communicate with operators through various means, including radio signals, Wi-Fi, and cellular networks. Types of drones. Consumer drones, designed for recreational purposes, photography, and videography. They come in various sizes and offer different levels of camera quality and flight performance. Commercial drones, used for professional applications such as aerial photography, filmmaking, surveying, mapping, agriculture, infrastructure inspection, and more. Military drones, used by armed forces for reconnaissance, surveillance, intelligence gathering, and, in some cases, combat operations. Also known as unmanned combat aerial vehicles, UCAVs. Delivery drones, designed for transporting packages and goods, often used by companies to explore faster and more efficient ways of delivering products to customers. Autonomous drones, equipped with advanced AI and computer vision systems, these drones can navigate and make decisions independently, allowing for tasks like automated inspections and surveillance. Applications. Aerial photography and videography. Drones provide breathtaking aerial shots for movies, documentaries, real estate listings, and more. Surveying and mapping. Drones can create highly accurate maps, 3D models, and terrain data for construction, urban planning, and land management. Search and rescue. Drones equipped with thermal cameras and other sensors can assist in locating missing persons or survivors in disaster-stricken areas. Agriculture. Drones can monitor crop health, assess irrigation needs, and even distribute pesticides or fertilizers efficiently. Infrastructure inspection. Drones can inspect structures such as bridges, power lines, and pipelines, reducing the risk to human inspectors. Environmental monitoring, used to track wildlife, monitor deforestation, study natural disasters, and more. Entertainment and racing. Racing drones provide thrilling competitions for pilots and spectators alike. Challenges and concerns. Regulation and airspace management. The integration of drones into airspace needs careful regulation to ensure safety and prevent collisions with manned aircraft. Privacy concerns. Drones equipped with cameras raise privacy concerns, especially when used for surveillance purposes. Security risks. Drones can potentially be used for illegal activities, smuggling, or even as weapons. Limited battery life. The flight time of most consumer drones is limited by battery capacity, which can impact their usability for certain tasks. Technological limitations. Despite advancements, drones still face challenges in adverse weather conditions and complex urban environments. Drones have rapidly evolved from niche technology to versatile tools with a wide range of applications, revolutionizing industries and our perspectives on aerial exploration and data collection.